Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, August 7th, and I'm back. Sorry, I'm visiting some family, and they just bought a new property and did not have internet. So I did not have internet for the last few days. So that's why I was not able to provide these reports for you. So, anyways, we are up and running now, and I'm going to get these out to you. So it's been a pretty crazy market these last few days, so let's jump right into it. There's nothing on the economic calendar scheduled for today. However, headline news is obviously the big one. We got stock market is way down again today, so we've had a lot of ups and downs. Yesterday we rebounded a little bit after a pretty horrendous Monday. However, today is kind of losing all those gains that we gained yesterday. Uh, Big thing today is the global yields. Global yields are reaching uh, extremely low levels here. Germany, for example, has some really poor economic data reported out there, and now they're at historical lows in terms of their global yields. They're at minus 0.59, I believe it was, on their global yields, the worst they've ever experienced. Central banks around the world, including New Zealand, India, Thailand, have cut their interest rates in terms of keeping the monetary policy in place. The U.S. kind of set that standard when they cut their quarter point hike and want to make sure that there's no uh, issues in terms of pricing for exports, imports, and such. And of course, we've had the Chinese yuan. That's what kind of started this week. That was their retaliation for manipulating their currency to lower it to, so therefore offset any tariffs that we had imposed on them. So that's their again. That was their, and that's what kind of started this whole week off with the retaliation with the yuan, bringing it down just under 7. It was like 6.9996 or something like that. So let's see how this is affecting the bond market. Even though the stock market is not doing so well, the bond market is doing quite well. We are up about 20 basis points. We fell back yesterday. We had a really good day on Monday. As you can see, we stopped off at the next level here at 103. Well, actually, it's 102.98. And we blossomed that yesterday. However, today we are making up. Currently, we're up about 20 basis points, touching off this line of support, line of the ceiling of resistance. Excuse me. Touching that so far this morning, and we looks like we could continue pushing it. And as you can see, it's the upward trend is continuing here. So mortgage rates are long term improving. Yields, as you can see here, huge drop here. We're down about 10 basis points, down to just over 1.0, like 1.6, almost down to 1.06 right now. And we're almost at historical lows. We're down to 1.35, I think, is the historical low. Uh, and then, but we're at levels that we haven't seen since 2016 in terms of these yields. So that's how far things have shot. As you can see here, we had yesterday, we had this undeciding, this star effect here. This kind of tells us that, with today's start of dropping, this will continue further dropping. So we can expect this continue going. We haven't seen any floor yet. All right. So again, mortgage rates are better today. We got improvement here. So that will pretty much call it a wrap. But if you guys are in the process of looking to refinance or buy, please keep me in mind. I am a loan officer. My company does service all 50 states, so we can help you out in there. We do cover pretty much all mortgages from conventional, jumbo, FHA, VA, USDA. We also have niche loans like investor, bank statement, and foreign national loans, as well as we got a couple proprietary loans that only CMG offers, which is the all-in-one loan. Great for those who have cash flow, want to pay off the mortgage early, save hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest, as well as home funded. So helping those get into the next home with down payment assistance. So the best way to reach me is direct message me. That would be the most ideal way to contact me. I do respond. All right, folks, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.